All right, now we're going to switch gears and turn to the latest on the coronavirus. COVID cases on the rise once again in much of the country, with health officials pointing the finger at the Omicron subvariant BA.5. It is believed to be the most transmissible variant yet, now estimated to be responsible for more than half of all new infections. This as cases right here in Michigan have spiked from last week. More than 16,000 new confirmed and probable cases were reported in our state over the last 7 days. That is an average of nearly 2,400 new cases per day and a 27% jump from the previous week. State health officials also reporting another 160 deaths from COVID-19 since last Wednesday. Michigan's death toll now surpassing 37,000 lives lost to COVID-19. 7 Action News reporter Faraz Javed is live in the city of Detroit with the very latest on this. So Faraz, who is most at risk of this new variant?
Carolyn, BA.5 is the latest Omicron subvariant that is increasing hospitalizations across the state, especially here in southeast Michigan. Now, earlier today, I spoke to Dr. Dennis Cunningham from Henry Ford Health, and he says at the current infection rate, the subvariant, which was detected back in May, is on its way to become dominant by the end of this month.
When we first saw BA.5, it was a relatively low number. It was accounting for approximately 8% of cases. Last week, about 54% of cases in the country and in Michigan were BA.5.
However, Dr. Cunningham says ICU admissions and the number of serious patients are still low. He says this could be because BA.5 is not as deadly as other strains or variants, the availability of oral medicines to treat serious COVID patients, and since more people are vaccinated now, the immunity level of the community is higher than before.
Most cases are going to be mild unless you are very young, very old, or you have immune problems, chronic medical conditions that make you at risk for more severe disease.
Meanwhile, with new COVID infections once again rising across the country, CDC is once again suggesting folks to mask up.
Will there be a mandate? I don't know. That's going to be more of a political issue, but I do think we're at the point we need to seriously consider wearing masks, especially if you are vulnerable.
Now at 5:30, I'll have more updates on some of the symptoms to look out for when it comes to BA.5, and also what are people reacting to about this new variant, especially that's impacting everyone here in Michigan and across the country. For now, Carolyn, it's back to you.
Yeah, especially those who are most at risk. Thank you so much, Faraz, for the live report. We'll see you on Action News at 5.